Hadassah, is it good?
I don't like it. I love it. Best thing I've ever tasted.
Sarap. Ano to ba yung with water, vinegar, garlic chopped, salt, sugar, and black bell pepper. Yum. Nag-crave kami. Actually, I'm craving for sour mango. Kaso wala eh. Super sour mango. But this is also good when there's no mango. Tsaka yung pickles, lalagyan ng bagoong. Meron tayong siomai. Kanina ang pair namin dito, dumplings. So, wala tayong rice tonight. Wow! Meron pa nga nito, be, hindi nagalaw. Oh. Ewan, bakit hindi. Ito, salad. Try ko kayang open, Ginawa ko na yung siomai kasi kulang yung dumplings. At saka mali ako sa dumplings. Di ba nilalagyan nila yun ng water? Sana pala finry ko na lang.